Hi, Denise Yielding here, and today I wanted to talk to you about my Lula boutique. I'm really proud of it. I'm in San Francisco, California, and I've got a whole designated boutique. I wanted to share how I set it up and some of the thoughts and processes I went through in order to make this the best room I could. So if you're a consultant, watch along and see if you might learn a few tips that will help you in your Lula room. So I organized everything by department. I have a retail background, and so I approached it like I would in my retail store many years ago. So I have a kids department, I have a dress department, a skirt department, tops, I have a Disney section, and everything is categorized, and I think it makes it well organized for the customer. I have a chest in the room that was my daughter's doll case, and we converted it into our leggings department. And so you find all the one size and tall and curvy leggings in there. And it's kind of fun to open up the doors and shop, and you feel a little bit antique and a little bit fun. In my children's department, I've got the small medium, the large extra large, and the tween leggings, which are really fun, really cute prints. And they're all together folded in little cubbies. Makes it real easy for moms, but what I'm finding is the daughters love to shop it. We had a little girl come in that was adorable, and her mom said, oh, pick out a pair of leggings, and she's got 9 leggings spewing across the sofa here and shopping and having a ball. I chose this room in my house to be my Lula boutique for a few reasons. One is I'm empty nest, and so my children are grown and out of the house. My daughter in Chicago doesn't need a bedroom anymore, and I liked her color scheme with the soft blue walls with the white trim and then the black chandelier. So a lot of these things were just things around the house that we pulled together to make a really great shopping environment. Her old love seat, we got a real white fluffy rug to put down, a really cute little gold beanbag, really cute. I have a great little desk that I actually built myself. It was something I got online at Target for next to nothing, and then I screwed it all together. Then I splurged a little bit on my little fancy chair with a bow, so when I sit there working every day, I feel like a princess. So in deciding how to decorate the room, I started with decorating rule of 3, something that we did in retail all the time. And so I've got the black and white with the baby blue. And so those 3 colors blend nicely, and they're soft. They're good background colors, so with all the clothing that's so vibrant, it really set off, I think, really nicely. Find things that are around your house. Simple is best, and let the clothes talk to the customer.